Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day to everyone. So today I would like to explain to you paper 1, the one that you did last week. So we look at the first section, which is graphic materials. Okay, question number 1. Okay, when you watch the video, you can just pause the video if you want to read the questions better. Okay, number 1, to go to Sim Bakery, I must be turn left at the T junction. T junction is Simpang 3. So here the green one is the T junction, you turn left. Okay, can you say A, turn right at green lane? This is totally wrong. If you say C, turn right at the roundabout, we do not know where you are actually. Is it here, 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 or here? So the correct answer is B. Okay, number 2, this question is quite straightforward. Okay, bring along this coupon, produce the coupon to get a free dessert. To get a free dessert. So number 2 is C. Number 3, okay, this is a book about entitled Death Waves. Okay, death waves means tsunami. Okay, this book is likely to be about what? Okay, this book is likely to be about C, the destruction of a tsunami, kemusnahan yang disebabkan oleh tsunami. If we say B, causing death, then the title should be changed to Deadly Waves. Okay, not death waves, but deadly. Okay, so number 3 is C. Number 4, the victim of the accident was, okay, you need to know that the victim is someone who is injured, okay, in the accident. Okay, so here, although the motorcyclist was the one who hit the bus, but since he was the one who was injured, then he was the victim. So the victim of the accident was the person riding a motorcycle. Okay. So if you say A and B are wrong because number 1 in context is the answers are wrong. Okay, number 2, if you look at the word victim, there's only one victim here. Seorang je mangsa. Okay, but on the bus there are many students, more than one. So definitely A and B are wrong. Okay, in terms of grammar lah. Okay, number 5. Okay, we talk about forest products. Okay, one of them is wood. Okay, so what does the text highlight? Okay, so it's either A or B. Do you think the text explains about the benefits, kelebihan, or the uses, kegunaan? So this is more to the benefits. It says here, for these reasons, wood has always been a primary forest product for human population. So number 5 is A. Number 6, quite straightforward. Okay, while stocks last as long as there is stock. Number 6 is B. Number 7, these are rules for people who want to swim in the pool. Not only when it's raining or not only for people who want to watch. So number 7 is C. Number 8, you need to know the difference between rules and advice. Rules are something that you must follow. If you do not follow them, then you will be fined, you will be punished. Okay, however, advice is something that you should follow. Okay, you are encouraged to follow, but if you don't follow it, you won't get fined, you won't get punished. Okay, so number 8 is B, nasihat. Okay, advice. Number 9, the text above gives example of bats habitats. Okay, habitats ni are places where we live. Habits are things that we always do lah. Okay, perkara yang kita selalu buat tu habits. Habitat ni tempat tinggal. Okay, number 10, I can't get along. Okay, I can't get along. Can't get along means people who love to argue. Okay, people who love to disagree with one another. Okay, they are not enemies, bukan musuh. They are not fighting. Mereka bukan berlawan, but they just argue. Okay, they just argue about certain things lah. Okay, or disagree about something. Okay, so number 10 is C. Okay, now we look at section B, which is error correction. Okay, so you need to write a word, okay, one word, satu perkataan je, a word, okay, to correct each underlined grammatical error. Grammatical error tu dah digariskan. Okay, these flowers smell wonderful. So these, okay, these is the keyword for the sentence. Okay, these flowers smell wonderful. These tu apa? Okay, this dengan this ni sama je. Okay, this ni ini. This pun ini. Tapi the only difference is that this this one, is used with singular subject. This boy, this girl, this printer, this car. Okay, however, these with the ESE ni, maksudnya ini, but we use it with plural subjects. These flowers, these boys, these girls, these parents. Okay, so you need to put S for the for the noun. Okay, number 12. Okay, I would like any cheese in my sandwich. Okay, so what's wrong with the word any? Okay, any ini is used when together with an uncountable noun. Kita guna any ni untuk perkataan, untuk kata nama yang tidak boleh dikira. Okay. However, okay, this sentence is wrong because when you want to use any, okay, in this type of sentence, the sentence must be negative. Okay. I would not like any cheese. Saya tak nak cheese. I would not like any cheese. Okay. However, if the sentence is positive, I would like, say nak. Okay, I would like, you say some. I would like some butter. I would like some sugar. I would like some cheese in my sandwich. Okay, so we use some because the sentence is affirmative, positive sentence. Ayat penyata yang positif. Okay, we use any with something yang negative. I did not get situ. Okay, number 13. My father speak 4 languages. Okay, this sentence we want to talk about ability. We want to talk about fact of the father. So we use present simple. Okay, present simple tu yang mana? We look at the verb. Okay, verb ni dia mesti ada S ataupun tak ada S. With S or no S. That is present simple. Okay, present simple ni is either you put S or no S for the verb. Okay, how to know whether you have to put S or not? You look at the subject. Subject is singular. So, verb dia pun singular. Okay, singular verb must have S. Okay, singular verb, you put S after the verb. Single S. Okay, if the subject is plural, for example, my father and my mother, or my parents, okay, ramai, okay, then you say speak. Okay, plural verb. Okay, so since the subject here is singular, makanya the verb you have to put S. My father speaks. Okay, can you change the word speaks to learns ke talks ke? Cannot. Okay, because we want to look at the grammar item here. Grammar item dia, perkataan dia speak, grammar item dia present simple. Okay, so kita tak boleh, you cannot simply change the word speak to learn lah. Okay, because this, we do not want to test your vocabulary. We want to test your grammar, tata bahasa. Bukan nak tengok perkataan, okay. Perbendaharaan kata, kita tengok grammar. Okay, number 14, the children were play. Okay, what's wrong? Okay, this, because of the word were, we know that the sentence is supposed to be in past continuous. Past continuous tu yang ada was dengan were. Okay, so lepas was dengan were ni, there must be ing. The children were playing, the children were dancing, the children were studying, the children were eating, fighting. Okay, macam tu. 15 pula. Okay, Siti used to loving fast food. Okay, verb after to should be in root form. Lepas to ni mesti ada satu kata kerja, and that kata kerja, that verb must be in root form. Mesti kata dasar. Kata dasar tu apa? There should be no S, no D, no ED, no ING. Okay, you cannot say Siti used to loves, to loving, to loved. Wrong. You have to say Siti used to love. Siti used to jog. Siti used to eat. Okay. Number 16, this is present perfect. Okay, present perfect yang mana? Present perfect yang depan dia tu ada has. Has ataupun have. The scientist has studied. Okay, it says here that after has and have ni, when there is a verb, okay, the verb must be in past participle. Past participle ni yang mana? Yang ada ed or en tu. Okay, the scientist has studied. The scientist has done. The scientist has written. The scientist has completed. Okay. Okay, next, number 17. They have been waiting for the bus since 30 minutes. Okay, dia nak cakap, this one is to focus on waiting duration. Nak cakap tempoh masa. So we use the word for. I've been waiting for you for 30 minutes. If you insist to use the word you, since, okay, boleh. Tapi This is in another context lah. You need to put the word ago. Okay. They have been waiting for the bus since 30 minutes ago. Okay. Okay, so here you use for. Sebab nak cakap selama 30 minit. Okay, 18, the government should help a poor. Okay, dia nak cakap kerajaan perlu menolong golongan susah. Okay, we want to focus on certain group of people. So we use the article the. Golongan kaya. Okay, the government only focus on the rich. Okay, kita kata the rich. Golongan kayangan, golongan famous contohnya. Okay, golongan yang famous, we say the famous, okay, the poor, the rich, and so on. Okay, to talk about certain group of people, not about individual, bukan seorang orang je, tapi certain group, segolongan. Okay, so we use the poor. Number 19, you went to the stadium last night, don't you? Okay, this one is question tag. Okay, sentence is in past tense. Okay, ayat ni dalam past tense. You went to the stadium. Okay, went, past tense. So, question tag must also be in past tense lah. Okay, question tag pun mesti past tense tapi dia negatif. Okay, depan ni positif, belakang negatif. Okay, so the answer should be didn't. Okay, past tense dia did, betul make it negative, didn't. Okay, sama juga if you say you go, ni present simple, you go to the stadium. Kat sini present tapi negatif. Don't you? Okay. You don't go, sini negatif. This one positive. Do you? Yang ni future tense. You will go. Kat sini future tense tapi negative. Won't you? Okay. Number 20, I can ski when I was only 6 years old. Okay, so this sentence is about ability and it is in the past. Macam mana? How do we know that it's in the past? We look at the word was. Okay. I was only 6 years old. So, this first sentence ni pun must be in past tense lah. So the past tense of can is could.